Let's see how you can easily build a simple TikTok lead generation chatbot that can simply collect customers' email address and phone numbers, and later you can send any sort of email marketing and also SMS marketing campaigns as well. So here I'm in a demo account. The first step would be to connect your TikTok account right here. So if you are wondering how, simply click on channels over here and you'll be taken directly to settings, channels option, and here simply choose a connect option and simply connect your TikTok account. So keep in mind, TikTok messaging automation is only available for all the business account except for those registered in the US, UK, Switzerland or other European economic area as well. And here if you go to the help center, here you have the helpful guide on TikTok automation and step-by-step guide on how to connect your TikTok account as well. So once it is connected, you can actually build any sort of automations on TikTok. And here we also have connected a phone number from Twilio for the SMS marketing, and you can also connect any email providers you like right here through the SMTP, where you can use static media to send emails for free as well. So now let's set up a very simple DM automation on TikTok to collect a particular customer's name, email and phone number. For that, I'm going to actually use the existing free template over here. So go to all free templates and let me see if we can actually use any existing ones. So here, this one, lead generation VIP customer list template. So let me use this one. So make a duplicate of this particular template over here. All right, it has been duplicated. So let me rename this one over here and let me say TikTok lead generation VIP customer list. All right, let me rename this one as like this and let me open this one. Here, this is the free template. It says, thank you for your interest in VIP program. These are the benefits. Would you like to become a VIP customer? Keep in mind, at the moment TikTok doesn't support these quick reply buttons over here. So we have to change these quick reply buttons to these normal buttons or vertical buttons. Okay, so let me delete this one over here, and here keep in mind you have to put a characters less than 40 when you add a button as well. So that's also in the limitations over here. So let me say become a VIP, and here let me connect this one over here, and let me reduce the character limitation as well. So let me say please tap the button below and add the button as well. All right, so when they tap on this button, it will ask for their name, email address and then the phone number. So everything is built in this particular free template, and here once they provide all these details, it will simply say thank you, full name, you are on the VIP list now. And let me remove the change my details option for now. All right, and delete this one. All right, and it will actually add the tag as well, VIP customer. Suppose if you want to send any sort of SMS as well, you can do that. So let's do a simple SMS send message, and here connect this one over here. So as soon as they provide all the details, so let me send an SMS, choose SMS over here and add the SMS content you want to send. Hey, so let me say, hey, full name, you are now on the VIP list. So this will be sent as the SMS, but if you want to send any sort of emails, you can do that. Click send email, and here simply add any email headlines you like over here. So let me just add the subject as this one over here. So let me say demo email TikTok lead generation VIP list, just the headline, and you can, if you want, you can add any sort of images, text, buttons as you like. So just for the demos, so let me add the customer's name as well. So here just add the full name just for the demo. All right, so this is how the email content gonna look like. You can even add the HTML email codes as well right here, but let's just test this one. All right, and click publish. So this is now customized for the TikTok. We can quickly test how this actually works. For that, we need to actually assign a keyword for this specific flow. The flow name is TikTok lead generation VIP customer list. So let me go to the flows section over here and choose keywords, and let me add a new keyword. So here let VIP. So if someone send the keyword VIP, then we want to trigger this automation TikTok lead generation VIP customer list flow, and from this particular flow we are going to collect a particular customer details. Make sure this published, and here make sure to save this one as well. Alright, it has been saved. So now here this is the keyword setup as well. So let me share my phone screen over here and show you. This is the TikTok account connected over here. So let me send a message to this TikTok account from a different profile with a keyword which is VIP, and from here it should trigger these automations and send us messages. So it should say thank for your interest, and after 3 seconds we should receive this message as well, including all the VIP perks. Alright, and now it says please tap the button below. Let me say become a VIP. So now it should actually ask collecting the customer details. First it's actually asked for the name. So let me provide the name as Johnson Fernando, and now it should actually ask me to provide an email address as well. So let me provide the email address as chattingmedia@gmail.com. Alright, let me provide the email address as well. So now it should actually ask me to provide the phone number as well. So let me provide the phone number 5673. Alright, I provided my name, email and the phone number as well. Let's see what happens over here. So it says perfect, thank you Johnson Fernando, you are now a VIP customer. These are the details you have provided. We will keep you updated on all the latest news and offers. So now if you go to the unified inbox, you should track all these conversations just happened right here. So let me open the unified inbox, and here it says from TikTok, this is the person, this is the email they provide, and this is the phone number as well. And here they have already received or sent the SMS over here to this specific phone number. And here if I share my phone screen, this is the email I received as well. So here this is the exact email we set up just for the demo, with all the subject, content, everything is right here, sent from test@chattingmedia, because that was the email connected on in this account. So here this is the SMS we received. Hey Johnson Fernando, you are now on our VIP list. So just for the demo, here this is the SMS. So from this unified inbox, an agent can easily send any sort of messages directly to their TikTok. So here if I send a random SMS message from here, it will be sent to them directly to the TikTok. But since you have already connected a phone number and the customer has provided their phone number as well, you can even send SMS right from this inbox as well to your customers. So this is the SMS I'm sending as a human agent just for the demo. So here this is the SMS I sent, this is the TikTok I sent. So here I have received this SMS, and if I go to the TikTok profile, we should see this message in TikTok as well. So here this message came to my TikTok DMs. Simple as that. And that's a quick video on how you can easily build simple lead generation chatbots on TikTok. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.